Start sound may have at 0.02. Okay, now can you play it, Yenula? Play it, and when it hit the yellow color, okay, it's stopping immediately, right? So that's what I want. Can I play? Can you play it again? Play it again. Right. Okay. Now it's stopping immediately, right? Stopping immediately. Now I just want to actually continue the game. I just want to continue the game. The first thing is now you can see like this is the cat can jump, right? Cat can jump, but still even it can jump. So it's not easy to avoid the obstacle here. It's not easy to avoid the obstacle. Right. Therefore, I'm going to do something. I'm going to change this jumping part also. I'm gliding this actually 0. This time 0.5 second, and else also I'm gliding to 0.5 seconds, right? Okay, let's see this now. Now when I jump, okay, stay here and I press the up arrow. Oh. Now somewhat okay. Now it can avoid the obstacles, and I can keep pressing the arrow, and it's going up. So this should be avoided. Neither. Then up arrow එක අපි press කරගෙන හිටියොත් කැට්ට පුළුවන් උඩින් යන්න. Right? So that is a game cheat. So that way you can cheat the game, but that is not good, right? Okay. So how to stop that? How to stop that? Actually, when you press up arrow, it should glide up to the X position, this place. Okay, that is good. So let's change to Y position, maybe 130. So little more. And when I press the arrow, it's moving up. And it should automatically come down, right? It should automatically come down. After going up, it should automatically come down here. So this one I'm going to put here with a duplicate. Right, let's see now when I press this arrow. When I press the up arrow, it's coming down, right? Now you can see when I press the up arrow, it's going and coming down. Right, it's going up and also it's coming down. Okay, let's do small change. Actually, I'm going to remove this part today. I'm going to remove this part. That means this if else part. And I'm going to put a new one when so from the events, when flag click, actually from the event, when up arrow pressed, when from the event, from up arrow pressed. So this part I'm going to add, and I'll remove this one. Now this is different, right? When you're here, let's play and smooth the cat. Oh, it's when you start also, it's touching this. So the cat's position, I'm going to keep the cat in here, this position. I'll put the cat in this position, that is 1864. To do that, I'll go to the motion and I'll go to 1864, right? So the 18 minus 69, 18 minus 69, the same position here. 18 minus 69. Why? Then I play. What's happening here? Forever if touching the yellow color. Okay, let's keep it here. 76. 76. Let's see now. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Right. Now you can see the cat is jumping. Right? Cat is jumping. And actually when I play this, so the problem is like it's jump into this one. So I'll change this to 1 second and 1 second. So let's do these changes and see whether it's copying with the, let's change it to 1 second, and after 0.5 seconds coming down. Okay, let's play this from the beginning. Oh no, not good. Right, here also I have to change this to 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds, then it's going up. And when coming down, need to be slow. 2 seconds to come down. Let's see now. Let's play now. Oh, going up. Okay. Going up. Okay. Going up. Oh, now you have to be careful, right? It's coming down slowly. Right now, actually, this game is now quite okay. Right, this is quite okay. So I can reduce the size of these height of these costumes, and by doing that, I can just let's reduce the height of this. Where did I draw this? Okay, it's already converted to picture. Seems this one I can reduce the height, and also this one. What about this one? That's difficult. It's already converted to image. Okay, no matter. Right. Shall we do this quickly? So this is the code edition. So I have added this up when I press the up arrow. When I press the up arrow, it's going up. Okay, slowly coming down. Press the up arrow, is going up. Slowly coming down. Okay, slowly coming down. Just good. Up arrow, slowly coming down. Oh, okay, the up arrow. Right, and also when you hit the up arrow, when you hit this, when touching the color, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to duplicate this line, and I'm going to glide the cat. I'm going to glide the cat to -100. I'm going to glide the cat immediately 0.1 second to -100, and then I'm going to rotate the cat by 90 degrees. Actually, why? Because when you hit, okay, you can see. This is not good. Again, when you start, you have to put the direction 90. Let's say this is okay. When it hits, it's coming down, right? When it's hitting this, when it's touching the color, it's immediately coming down. Okay, this part, let's edit this part quickly. So let's see it again. Hit it, and it's coming down. The original size also need to be set, otherwise change size by 10. How will this come? Change size by 10, and again I have to change the size by -10, right? That's what I thought. -10. Okay, let's edit this quickly. Otherwise, there are a lot of codes. When it hit, okay, it's coming down. negative 90 coming to minus 170. Okay, now this is good. Now you can see what will happen when it comes, when it hits, it's drop into the down. Right. Okay, so let's code this. You can do this, right? I'm going to okay, you can also share the screen. Yanula, please share the screen. I'll help you doing this. Right, the first thing is right. Okay, this part is good, but this should come. This should come after the repeat. After 3 repeats, this should come. This blue line and this 90 degrees line should come here, right? Can you drag this to the before stop all? Before stopping all, the blue line should come before stopping all. Outside the repeat, sorry. Outside this repeat. Click and drag, yes. Click and drag this one also. Before stop all, yes, you can place that before stop. Oh, don't drag that one. Undo it. Don't drag that one. Control Z to undo. Or you can keep it in the original position. Right. This one you have to place before stop all. No. The blue color one, that you have to put. Okay. And yes, rotate 90 degrees also before stop all. Before stop all, you have to do this. Rotate minus 90, right? Rotate minus 90. Okay, keep it there and change it to minus 90. No. The position is correct. Minus 90 will change. Change it to minus 90. And here also, please change it to minus 200. Minus 200. And when you start, please put this point in 90 direction, put it in the starting position, just after the flag click. Here, you have to drag it again, Pute. See the screen, see my drawing in the screen. This point in 90 because when you start, the cat should, yes. This is not point towards, right? This is not good. This is not the one. Point in 90 කියන එක තමයි මම ගත්තේ. කයින් කරන්න. The blue color one you have to remove, yes. Remove it. And instead of you can put point in direction 90, yes. Now you can merge it. No. Yes. Drag it from. Okay, now you can see it. Now you can see. When it hit, it's coming down. Play it again. Play it again. The original position. The original position need to be mentioned, right? So original position is minus 69. So please, yes, please go to here. Please go up. Here you have minus 69. This one you have to put here. Go to X and Y. Sorry, not that. You are dragging, then it's changing. Okay. Now see. Now see it. Okay, again try it. I think initially it's hitting. Initially it's hitting. So please change X to X. You can change it to maybe 100. X 100. No. X value 100. Yes, there. When you start, X value is 100. Yes, go to X 100. Y 69. Go to X 100. Y 69. 100. 100. Okay, now see. Okay, now it's working. When it hits, it's going down. Right. Play it again. Play it again. Right. How to actually, so this one, this gliding part, you can change it to 0.5 when it's going up. 0.5. Yes.
This one, sir?
Yeah. 0.5 when it's going up. 0.5. And this glide down 2 seconds. Glide down 2 seconds. Right. Now see. Play it again. Go up. Oh. Again, try it. Again, try it, right? Okay. Oh, you're late to jump. So when you're late, okay, shall we speed up this? 0.1, jump in time 0.1. Glide in time 0.1, then it will be faster. 0.1. Okay, now see. So you can control this, right? You can control this. Try it again. The jump, it jumps. Oh. When it's coming down, it hits. Right? So that also you have to concern. Okay, let's change it to, let's increase the height. Height එක පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි කරමු. Please drag this way. පොඩ්ඩක් මේ පැත්තට drag කරන්න මේක මට පේන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. Now this changes to, please change this value, y value to 150. 150. 150. Okay, now it's, I think now you can protect the cat. See, by playing this. Jump. Oh, late jump. Okay, safe side. Okay. Right. Oh, bad timing. Right, you have to, right, be perfectly, oh, bad timing. It's coming down. Bad timing. Okay. Again, that time. Right, you have to be careful, right? When you time in, you have to be really careful. Okay, let's change this to 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Fall in time to 3 seconds. Right now, see, now I think you can easily do this. Because it's very slow in falling down.
Yeah.
But again, you have to actually keep time between the next jump, right? Oh, so let's change it to 2.5 then. 2.5. 2.5. Fall in time to 2.5. Otherwise, it's difficult to play, right? Now you can see, right, how to call this. Fall in time to 0.5. Let's change the fall in time to 0.5. Fall in time. Sorry, 2.5. 2.5. Instead of 3 වෙනුවට දාන්න 2.5. 2.5.
2.5.
Okay. Right. Now, yeah, now I think it's somewhat okay, but late. Oh, too early. Too early to jump. Likewise, you have to, you can control this. Good. Good. Too early. Too early. Right. When too early, it's hitting, right? Okay, now you know the rules, how to change this and how to control this. And when it hits, yes. when it hits. So see what will happen. And let's give a bonus. So similar to the previous one, similar to the previous game. So let's give it a bonus. I'm going to give a
Bonus.
yes, kind of gift, a kind of gift, right? What I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a jetpack. That is my right. That before adding this jetpack, how I'm going to add the jetpack is I'll place a jetpack here. In the jetpack, I'm going to put it another object. Let's say I'm going to choose a sprite. This time I'm going to choose a okay, choose maybe what? Okay, I'm going to give him a glass of water, right? A glass water. But this, if it touch, I'm going to make it smaller. Let's say 20, right? You can see it's very small. Or let's make it like 40. Then good. Right? If it actually touch this kind of glass, if it touch this kind of glass, I'm going to give a free gift. So that is basically, okay, let's say, let's go to the cat. And I'm telling again from the events and from the control, I'm going to use forever. If from the sensing, touching this glass water. If touching the glass water, I'm going to give a chance to glide, glide 0. Yeah, here glide 0.5 second to 130 position, and 15 seconds to hold that position, 15 seconds to be in 130, or 10 seconds to be in 130. After that 10 seconds, again falling down to the 69 minus 69 position. Okay, let's see what will happen. The only thing is like it's moving. The glass is also moving. Glass should move backward, right? Glass should move backward. And to do that, I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to drag this over the glass. Okay. Here it is. Now let's keep the glass here and make it like 30 pixels. Maybe that's good. Looks good. Okay, now you can see. You can see now glass is appearing here and there. Right? When I touch the glass, right, it will get that bonus. Now you can see it's flying for 10 seconds and falling down. But before falling down, you have to do something, right? When you touch the glass, right? When it touch the glass, that bonus will be. I'm going to keep the glass here. Minus 70 position. Let's go. And yes, glass position should be fixed. Go to X is okay. Y should be not 0. It's minus 69. Minus 69 is the Y value. Here also minus 69 is the Y value. Okay, now let's see. Okay, if it touch the glass, it has a chance to go up, and then it's falling down after 10 seconds. Oh, I had to go up before it fall down. Yes, I had to go up and touch the glass again. get the bonus. Then no need to touch anything, it's going up. And when it's coming down, I have to give that trigger again and going up. Okay, again, I got a glass, I can fly. And falling down, I need to go up, I need to go up, go up, go up, go up. Oh, right. You see the glass magic, right? You see the glass magic. Okay, what will happen? So after touching this, actually, I have to, here also I have to give a code. Similar kind of, if this touching the glass forever, if this touching the cat, is touching the cat. Okay, for the glass also I'm coding, if touching the sprite one, then what should I do? Actually, I have to hide this from the looks, hide this. And when I start, it should start showing. Okay, now it's perfect. I think it's good. Okay, it's hiding the glass. And let's see. Okay. So after hiding, it should appear again, right? After hiding, it should appear again. So the show should come to here also. See. Right, it's working, but it's not flying according to the instructions. So let's check what has happened. If it touching the glass water, so should glide, this part is there, yes, but I think because of hiding. Okay, let's unhide this without hiding. Let's keep it somewhere here. Okay, now you can see it's moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, and coming down. When it's coming down, I had pressed the arrow again and keep it in the bow. Okay, I'm going up again. Right. Okay, great. So this height part should also come, but when I add the height part, you can see the cat is not flying. To actually change that, what can I do? Okay, I'm going to control back and I'm going to add this again. When forever, if sensing, if touching the sprite one, let's wait for from the control, let's wait for 1 second or 0.5 seconds. After that, let's hide it. 0.5 seconds, and after that, let's hide it. I think it should work then. I'm not going to hide immediately. After 5 seconds, I'm going to hide. Let's play this. Okay. Now it's going on. Yeah, good. Okay, great. Okay, let's write the code. Please go to the cat and add the glass of water and start coding like this. You can start coding now. Share the screen. Please share the screen, Pute. Yenula. Okay, please add the glass of water. Choose a sprite. Water glass. That is magic water. It was above, right? It was there. Can you just go above? Yeah. Little more, little more, little more. Yes, now you can see it there.
Sir, I'm going to code when the
Sorry.
I'm going when the cat touches the glass,
Mhm.
the cat will go faster, so it will be more complicated.
Yeah. Can do like that. Oh, don't undo when you get something like this. Please undo. Then that is the easiest way to do that. But anyway, please go to the cat again. And
It's hidden.
cat is hidden. Yeah, you can actually take it to the top. Go to the looks. Looks. Go to the
Sir,
looks. From the looks, you can say, please drag a little. Put the palette. You can say, here, go to the front layer.
front layer.
Yeah, go to the front layer. No, not this one, Puti. Read it before drag. Kiyavala balanna. Then we have
Change size by
that is
10.
change size. That is not. Go to the front layer. Can you see it now?
Front.
Little more. Yeah, can you see it now? Go to the front layer.
Go to the front layer. I can see it, sir.
Read it and drag. Okay, now it should come front. Play it and see. Okay, it's coming front.
Ah, the glass still.
For glass also, for glass also you have to add the same. For glass also you have to tell go to the front layer.
Because we had to add the code.
Yes, when flag clicked. Yes, when flag clicked. Go to the front layer.
Okay, sir. Go to the front layer. Go to the front layer.
Now see whether. So you have to stop the last movie. To do that, actually you can do, yeah. To do that, you can add the sprite tree code to the glass. Go to sprite tree.
Sprite tree.
Sprite
okay.
Tree, yeah. Then drag this code and keep it on top of the glass water. Right. Then go to the glass water and change this to -69 and this to -69. Both of zeros to -69.
Okay, sir. Backwards.
Because that is the
-69.
That is the flow level.
Minus 69.
Minus 69, yeah.
Shall we try now, sir?
Now, see. Okay. Now see, minus 76, no? In your one, it's minus 76 because you have dragged that. Minus 76.
Minus
76.
minus 76. It's 69.
No. Please drag to the floor. Please drag to the floor first.
The floor.
Yeah, water
Okay.
glass. You have no, not that one today. Water glass like a flow methanic stage again. See where I'm drawing. Go to the stage and drag to the floor. Yes. Floor level. Okay, again you did that bad thing. So don't click on other objects.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the value here? That's what I'm telling. This is
Okay,
minus.
77.
Yeah, it was
77.
earlier 67. Earlier it was 66, but you have changed the position of the that image, no, the background image. You change the position. That's the reason for coming it 77. Anyway, put it 77. Put 77 there.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Minus 77. No, it's
Okay.
minus 77. That's how you find the place, right? You have to do it according to your stage. Minus 77.
Minus 77.
Now try.
Okay, sir. I'll try now.
Right. Okay. So the reason is like so cat is hitting the obstacle, right? Before that you have to jump.
Okay.
The jumping part also you have to remember. Too early. Okay, good. Good. Too early. What? Safe. Too early.
Too early.
Yeah.
It's not the glass is not hiding.
Yes. To do that actually, so you can add again forever.
Forever.
That please add to this one.
This one, sir?
Purple color one. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
No, in yes. Right. Okay. Good. Keep it over there.
Good.
Drag it to the side. Okay. Now you can say if take if from the controls. If then. Yeah, from the sensing. Sensing. If touching the, so you can say, yeah, touching the mouse pointer and change it to touching the sprite one. Drag it and change it to touching the sprite one. Change it, right, to sprite one. Sprite one means the cat. Here, sprite one means cat. If it is touching the cat, it should hide. Actually, but if it is touching the cat, you should hide that. But before that, go to the control again. Control. Wait 1 second.
Wait 1 second.
Wait, actually change it to 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. 0.5
seconds. Okay, sir.
Okay, 0.5 seconds. Then go to the looks and hide.
0.5 seconds.
Yes, then go to the looks and hide it.
Look. Hide. Where should the hide go, sir?
Hide, yeah, below the 0.5 seconds. You have to keep it below.
Yeah.
0.5. And you, when you hide, you have to show it back, right? That showing should come to here and here, both locations.
Here. Here.
Yes. Okay. Now you can just see when it hits the glass hides, right? When it hits the glass hides. Okay, great. But that magic should happen, right? What is the magic? The cat should fly. Cat should fly, right? To actually do that, please go to the
cat
slide.
should go faster, sir. So it can be tricky.
Yeah, it can be faster, go faster. And to do that, actually, right? To do that, you can, yes, here, take another one from the event, take another flag click from the event.
Events.
Flag click.
Flag click.
Again, forever again. Forever. From the control. Then again, if.
Okay, sir. If.
From the sensing. From sensing, you can say when touching the sprite, sorry, touching the glass water. Touching the glass water. Change it to glass water. And right click here and get a duplicate. Don't change it. Right click here and get a duplicate. And keep it over there. But this time, yes, keep it. Yeah. Then this time change this to 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
And then Y should be 150.
150. What?
Don't delete. Y should be 150 for 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
150, and then you have to again copy this one. The last statement. Light 0.2 seconds to minus 69.
Minus 69.
Light 2.5. This one. Can you take a duplicate of that?
Okay, sir.
And yeah, keep it underneath. Yes, over there. Okay, now try it. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can see it's going up. Flying, flying, flying. Oh, you have to jump. Right. Again, jump. But if you get that blast again, you will get a bonus of, oh. Don't be too greedy, then you will lose. Okay.
Oh.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, when it's flying, good. Now it's now it's advanced, right? Now the game is little advanced than the previous status. Now it has that water glass thing, and still we didn't add marks. So let's add marks now.
Oh. Too late.
Yes. Right. Okay, let's add marks. Each time, right? Each time when it right, each time when it each time when it actually when it goes each time, each of these rounds. So I just want to add some marks. So I'll create a variable called marks. And in the marks variable, I'm setting it to the 0 at the initial stage. When you start, it's 0. Right, when it starts, it's 0. But here, actually, when one round goes, I'm changing marks by 1. So that I'm adding to this stride 2. You can see oh, too late. Right. You can see marks are added now. The positive marks are added.
Yes.
Right. So if you don't like that gradual marking, you can add this to inside. You can keep this inside the statement. Then the marking will be little slow. Then marking will be slow. Here, 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. Let's jump. Let's jump again. 6 marks, 7 marks. Let's jump. Let's jump again. Oh, lost it. 8 marks. Right. So to slow down marks, you can add this to inside if, and maybe you can add like each time you can add 10 marks. Right. Then that would be good. Okay. Then how to reduce marks? How to reduce marks when it hits this color? Right. I can call like this when it hits. When this again I'm going to add this 1, right, and again I'm going to add forever, and again I'm going to add if, and I'm going to go to sensing. If touching color, so this green, touching the color green, then I'm going to deduct some marks. Touching color green, and I'm going to set the variable set marks to, I'm going to get operations and deduct some marks and assign that back to the marks. Actually, set marks to marks minus set marks to marks minus, let's say I'm going to deduct some 1 marks if it is touching the grass. Right? So some trick. Okay, you can see I'm getting positive marks, but if it touch the grass, okay, good. I'm jumping and okay, good. Okay, bad. Oh, I have to be safe from these draws. Actually, instead of having draws, I can just put another obstacle. So I would like to put another obstacle. So this time I'm going to put maybe okay. This one is good, right? Very good character to deduct marks. Keep it here, right? Enemy. Reducing the size to 40%. Okay, reducing the size to 40. And then actually I'm adding small animation. To animate, I'm adding when flag clicked forever from the looks, next costume, and from control, wait, 1 seconds. Now you can see this is there. Right, you can see, so this enemy is there. So I'm going to change this to 0.5 seconds maybe. Right, now I'm going to change this if touching, not is touching the color. Instead of I'm putting from the sensing, if touching the hedgehog, if touching the hedgehog, then deduct some marks. Maybe deduct, let's say deduct 5 marks. Right. Okay, let's try and jump in, and I want to jump. Oh, bad timing. And I want to move this one. Hedgehog, I want to move this, and I'm going to blast and add the code for moving. Same code. Let's go to the hedgehog, and you can see hedgehog is also moving. Right now, but if I hit the hedgehog, I will lose some marks. Oh, bad timing. But if I hit the obstacle, I will lose my life. If I hit the hedgehog, I will lose some marks. So which one to choose? Either the life or hedgehog. But you can see now it is complicated, right? Right. So let's add this hedgehog part also.
Okay, sir.
Right. So I'm going to the sprite back and showing the code. This is for the hedgehog. For deducting marks, actually I have to, first of all, you have to add the marks. Adding marks can be done this way. First of all, let's add the marks and then deduct the marks, right? Otherwise, before adding the marks, even the deduction will happen. So let's add the marks first. And this one also I can place in a random position. So let's go to 480 and 69 and initially starting position. So let's say, let's change this to 400. And this is 400 itself. Let's say now. Okay. Bad timing. Oh, bad timing. Okay, so let's add the marks. Let's make it complicated by adding the hedgehog and also the marks. You can share the screen again.
Okay, sir.
I think that
Sir.
Right. Please go and add the hedgehog. You can search. You can search by typing here, Guti. You can type.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Type in the box.
Okay, sir.
HEG. Type
H
E
E
G. Now you can HED. Sorry.
G. Oh.
D. H D.
Oh, hedgehog.
Yes.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Found it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and pick the right. Pick a nut.
Make it smaller.
Okay, sir.
It is too small, right?
Okay. Oh, so small.
Okay. Then okay, 40 is of 50, 60. Okay. Then I think 77 is your flow position, right? 77. 74, right? 74 is the position. Okay, so let's animate it first. Please go to the events. Please go to the events. Yeah, from events. Events. Get the flag click. From events, please get the flag click. Then forever. Okay. From the looks, next costume. From looks, next costume. Looks. Purple color one.
Oh.
From control, wait 1 second. Wait 0.5 seconds. From control, wait 0.5 seconds. Control. Orange.
Control.
Wait
Wait.
0.5 seconds. Each 0.5 seconds going to change. Yeah, keep it there. Change it to 0.5 seconds.
0.5 seconds.
Yes. Okay, now it's going to animate. And please go to your, please go to the glass. Go to the glass. And please drag the code, this code, please drag this to hedgehog. Hedgehog, yeah.
Sir, I can't do it. Trying.
Right, no?
No, sir.
It has not come.
The sprite button is in the way.
Maybe you can like, you can maybe restore down. Restore down. Can you restore down this one? Restore karana maybe. Maybe udda tiyana restore down. Yeah, restore down.
Yeah?
Yeah, that one. Click it. Now I think it's okay, right?
Yeah, fit, sir. Yeah, now it's better. I can take this code to the hedgehog. Okay. Still no.
No, no, it's
Still
not.
no.
No, not copy.
No. Okay. If I take a duplicate, it might work.
No, you can't duplicate over to another one. You have to click and drag. Yes, go over it. No.
No.
Can you give the
No.
mouse control so I can do that?
Okay. Mouse control.
Yeah, I have requested the control. You can click OK to that. Okay, if you give this right on, I'm going to keep it over here to this one. Is going down. Right. Okay. Please change it to 400. Please change it to 400.
400. Okay, sir. I'll just make it bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just change this to 400 and this to 400. Both of this to 400.
400.
Yeah.
And 400.
Okay. Now see, it's moving. Check whether it's
Okay,
moving.
sir.
Yeah, it's moving, right? It's moving. Where's your
Yes.
cat is in the air. Okay.
Too late.
Right. Okay.
I'll
Then
go to the variable.
yeah. Then you have to add the marks. Create a variable. Marks.
And
MARKS. Marks.
okay.
Yes.
S. Okay.
Then please go to the cat. Move to the cat, please. And then you can say yes.
Really big, sir.
Yes. Now code is like heavy.
Yeah, getting bigger and bigger. A heavy code.
Yes. Yes. Please go up a little. Yes. Okay. Here. You can make it smaller by putting this minus sign, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, oh, that is too small. Cannot see even.
There.
Yes, please toggle this way. Okay, now it's manageable. And please go to the variable again. And from that, you can see set marks to 0. Please drag it here. When you start, mark is 0. And please go to the sprite 2 now. Yes. Now there we are going to add the marks. Change mark by 1. Please add it to the if. Change mark by 1. Change mark by 1. And change mark by 10 now. Actually, please use 10 to change the mark. 10. Change mark by 10. 10. 1 0. Okay, go to the cat again. Please go to the cat again. And then Again, go to the events. Again, go to the events. Right. Then get the flag click. And forever from the control. From control, get forever. Okay, keep it underneath. Then if from the control again, if from the control, if then yes, that part. Right, okay, now please sense in, yes, you know that. Very good. Yes, drag it. Yeah, that part, sense it, the mouse. You have to actually use this one, you have to, if touching the hedgehog, right? You have to change it to hedgehog because you have to deduct marks. Please change it to hedgehog today. If touching this part, please change it to the hedgehog. Last one, right?
Hedgehog.
Okay, then yes, please go to the variables again. Variables to change the mark again. Go to the variables. And from there, you can say set marks to. Set marks to.
Set mark.
Yes, set marks to. And you can, from the operations, you can get minus operation. From the operations, please get minus operation. I think the second one is the minus. Second one is the minus, right? Yeah, that one. Yes, keep it over there. And you are going to minus the marks. From the marks, yes, from the marks, you are going to minus 10. You are going to deduct 10 marks. If you touch in the hedgehog, you are going to get minus 10 marks. Okay, now this game is even more complex. Right? Now the game is even more complex. You can see it's flying. Some hedgehogs are there. Water glasses are there. When it's coming down, you have to again go up, go up, go up, go up. Okay. Touching hedgehog, oh, we miss. You will lose some marks and game over. Right. You can see now. If you touch the hedgehog, yes.
It's minus 80.
Yes, minus 80, right? Because you have actually touched, I think more than right, more than 8 hedgehogs. That's why you are getting. So let's deduct the marks like this: minus 2, few marks. Don't deduct 10 marks one time, so it's minus 2 marks. Just deduct 2 marks, right? Okay, 2. Put there 2. 1, 2. Yeah. Then please do this. Please play this again. Please play this again. Right. Okay. It's going up, going up. You got 2 marks, 12 marks. Good. And 22 marks. Good. And a job. Oh, you're going to lose. Right.
Sir, I'm going. Can I? Is there a way how I can?
Here, this should be put at 2, right? This just 2, not minus 2, just 2, right? Just plus 2. 2, only 2. Yeah. Okay. Now see. Right. Initially minus 2 marks because you touched the hedgehog. Now 8 marks. You got positive, positive 18. Oh, go up, go up, go up. Ah, you miss it. Okay. Now you
make the hedgehog smaller.
Right. You can do anything that you like. So that is up to you. You can put some other, maybe some other animals, good animals, bad animals. Maybe good animals can give you more marks. So you know how to do that now, right? Bad animals can give good more marks. Actually, bad animals will give negative marks. Good animals will give positive marks. Maybe traps, bad animal, right? Chick, a good animal. Likewise, you can decide what to do. Okay, so another one change I'm going to do. So this is the last thing that I'm going to do to my code. Actually, since I have this, Now everything perfectly done, and so as the backdrop is y00. Okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to the sprite one, that is my cat, and from the customs I'm going to take a duplicate of the second one, taking a duplicate, and then I'm drawing using white color. I'm drawing something like this. Maybe you will see, or
Yes, sir.
and I'm going to use ash color also, and I'm going to draw here.
What is it, sir?
Right, okay, let me show that. Right, I'm going to draw something here. Okay, now I'm going back. This is custom tree for the cat. Going to the code, when this cat is flying here, I'm changing the looks to switch custom to custom tree. When the cat is flying, I'm switching the custom to custom tree. And the other times, that means the normal occurrences, putting the custom, switching the custom to custom. Here I'm switching the custom to custom 1, and here I'm switching the custom to custom 1, and switching the custom to custom, touching this, switching the custom to custom 1, and switching the custom to, okay, I'll keep it as it is. Okay, now see what will happen when it's going up. You can see, oh, when it's going up, when it's gliding up, if I'm reverting this, I'm going to change this back. Just keep it here. Okay, when it starts going like this, now you can see our cat is flying.
Yes.
You can see some fog, smoke,
Yes.
right? Because it's flying. When it's coming down, actually when it's coming down, I'm reverting back to the normal custom, right? I'm reverting back to the normal custom. That is custom number 1. Understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because when it's flying, it's immediately getting some smoke. But after falling, actually after this, it's falling down and resetting the custom to normal one. When it's flying, the flying custom, but when it's falling, changing back to the normal custom. Okay, understood? Right, that's
Yes,
what
sir.
I want to do. Okay, so let's do that as well as the last topic,
Okay,
last
sir.
one. Okay.
Can I choose my own sprite?
Sorry?
Yeah. Can I choose my own sprite, sir?
For which one? Can you share the screen?
Picking up out the sprite.
Oh, yeah, you can add the on sprite later, right? Now also you can add, but that doesn't. So you can add it and send it to me. That doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay, for the moment, just let's do that smoke one. Okay, please go to the sprite one. Go to the customs. Right click on the second one. Take a duplicate. Okay. Now use the white. Use the brush. Use the brush. Yes, change color to white. White color. Here. White color. And draw some fog here. Okay. Good. Now change back to the ash color or gray color. And okay, now you can draw some random. Okay, I think enough. Right, okay. Let's go back.
I'll just erase some.
Okay, I think that's right. Okay, let's go back to the, please go back to the code. Okay, here, please go to the looks now. Right, then switch custom to custom 3 in the beginning. Yes, at the end, switch custom to the custom 1. Here, when we start, also switch custom to the custom 1. When we start also, you have to switch the custom to custom 1. That is how we start. Okay, now we can try. Now we can try this. It's not difficult, right? Those are easy, but only thing is like. Oh. Okay, you can try again. It's flying mode, flying mode, flying mode. Oh, it's coming down. You have to jump, 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 jump. No. Bad time.
Sir, can I choose a sprite?
Yeah, you can take any sprite. It's okay. And yes, it's okay. You can do whatever you like now, right?
Okay.
So maybe you can decorate this. Maybe you can add like flying butterflies, flying beetles, some other obstacles. Likewise, you can make it more complicated. But so one thing you have to do before that, please save your document, right? And
Okay.
send it to me. Please save your document
Yes,
and
sir.
send it to me. Then after that, because today you can do anything to that. I don't mind, do anything you like. You can add like a puffer fish or puppies or any other obstacle or any other animal, and maybe do something that you like. You can do that as a homework. ඔයා කැමති ඕන දෙයක් කරන්න. ඔයා කැමති අලුත් ඒවා අරගෙන අලුත් sprites අරගෙන ඒ sprites වලට ඔයාට codes ලියලා වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. And do something innovative. Do something innovative, and then right, do something innovative. Okay. I'll check that.
Okay, sir.
Right, and with that I'll stop for today. So please
Okay.
save it and send it to me today itself. Now itself, please save it and
Okay.
send it to me. Right.
Okay, sir.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.